Domihi animas trataratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 25th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And in our liturgy for today, the Lord continues to teach us what is meant to be a disciple. What is the expectation? Ano ba talaga dapat kinikilos at ano nasa puso ng isang tigasunod ng ating Panginoong Heso Kristo? Let us remember that the Gospel of Mark is all about discipleship. And in our Gospel, taken from the Gospel of Mark, chapter 30 to 37, we are being taught what is meant to serve. The Lord is teaching His disciples, He is teaching us now, that when we serve, we don't expect something in return. No? Kung kaya nga tumawag ang Panginoon ng mga kabataan at sinabi niya sa kanyang mga disipulo, if you want to become great in the eyes of God, be ready to welcome these children. Be ready to serve these children. Because children cannot pay back what you are giving. No? Hindi nila mababayaran ang iyong mga kabutihan. Because children in our gospel is representing the unawim, yung wala ng ibang kinakapitan para mabuhay kundi ang Panginoon. Because they don't have any means, they don't have the capacity to pay, to give, because they have nothing kundi ang kanilang Panginoon. And if we are ready to serve this kind of people who cannot pay back the goodness that we are doing them, ang sinasabi ng Panginoon, you will be blessed. Because in our first reading, if you start measuring the goodness that you are doing for other people, dito magsisimula na sinusukat mo na, hindi na masaya ang puso mo sa iyong ginagawa. That's why you start thinking bad things. Bakit ako na lang? Gagawin ko to kung iyong susuklian. No? And you start thinking not good things to the people that you are serving. But in our second reading, sinasabihan niya ang first reading, no. When you serve, you should have a pure heart, a gentle heart, a merciful, and a compassionate heart. Dinidescribe niya po yung puso ng Panginoon. That when He served, bumaba siya dito upang paglingkuran tayo. With the pureness of His heart, His merciful and compassionate and loving and caring heart is the one that moved Him to do all these good things. And that is what the Lord is asking us to do at this very moment. If you want to become great in the eyes of God, be ready to serve without any expectation. Kung kaya nga po napakaganda ng sinasabi ng ating salmong tugunan, the Lord upholds my life. It is the Lord that the only thing that I want to receive in all these things that I am doing. He is taking care of me. Siya ang aking reward. That's why I'm doing out of all these things, out of the pureness, out of the gentleness, out of the compassionate and merciful heart that I have because of the Lord. So my dear friends, the Lord is teaching us discipleship. And that is working, doing things, serving our brothers and sisters without any expectation in return. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.